Hey everybody, welcome back to Dow Honda. So everybody knows right now there is still a new car shortage in the market. So what we're doing here at Dow Honda is we keep vehicles available for test drive, so you can come in, take a test drive in one of these vehicles. But what we're also doing is we're taking pre-orders on these cars. So to give you an instance, I have my 2024 HR-V LX all-wheel drive. My customer custom ordered this vehicle. It came in a couple of days. We've had it ready to go. She'll be picking it up this afternoon. So if you wanted to come into the dealership, find out about incoming units that'll fit, work for you, talk about the specifics, talk about leasing, financing, find out when you can have your brand new Honda available to you, please give me a call here at the dealership. My name is Neil McKenna. Give me a shout at 613-237-2777. If you're looking a little bit more specs on these cars, we have it all on our website at www.dowhonda.com. We can find the right vehicle for you. We can have it ready as soon as possible. We'll see you next week.